What's happening? Go away! I don't know what's happening with my stupid hair. So, hey everyone, welcome to today's video. If you are new here, I'm Jamie B. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my April Boxycharm unboxing. I have kind of slacked the past 2 months of actually doing them on time or at all. I've kind of just like done it on a live and that be that. However, I did want to come on here and show you guys April's. I'm super kind of excited for a few things that I got or that I saw for spoilers, but if you're excited to see what I got this month for my Boxycharm, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of this video and we'll get right into it. Alright guys, so just a few things to touch on. This is a $25 monthly subscription makeup box, beauty box, because there's skincare and crap comes in it. But it is $25 a month. They have different tiers and options that you can do. I did not choose to do them. However, this month I got to choose something that's going to be in next month, and then on top of that I got a bunch of stuff that is like, it was like 77% off. So I'm going to be doing like a Boxycharm haul unboxing. It's gonna be like I think I got like 2 previous boxes from like last year. I don't know, I got a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna do an unboxing and let you guys know, so hang tight for that. But so this is the one that I got for this month. Hopefully it has a card in it. So I have no makeup on today. Surprise, surprise. You would think that being a beauty guru, beauty influencer, makeup, whatever, I would wear more makeup than I actually do. And I'm not mad at it right now because I have so much freaking going on in my life. But so the first thing is they do have a card, and it is Boxycharm's Festival Vibes. It's a folded one, so that has all the goodies that we got, and it has their prices. Yay! So the next thing that I have in here is Bye Bye Makeup Wipes Forever. This is the makeup eraser postcard. I don't know why they put more than one in here. I guess to tell you how to take care of it, but I've had them before. But you can also use the code BOXY20 for 20% off. So I believe they're like $20 though. So speaking of which, this is the box. It is kind of colorful and spring-like. So the first thing I see in here, I'm actually not going to open because I hate it. It is the Benefit Professional Smoothing Face Primer, and this is not the hydrating one, I do not believe. No. So I needed the hydrating one because I have very dry skin, and the silicone, the amount of silicone that is in this product is just not my tea. So I'm gonna put that, I do have a giveaway pile collection growing, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually put that in there, and that will be one of the items. And this is $32. If you're not new to makeup, which most people are not, this just makes sure your pores appear smaller and smoother under your skin. This is for more of dry skin or more oily skin people. If you have dry skin, I do not recommend this at all. Moving on. So the next thing I have in here is the original makeup eraser. Erase all the makeup with just water. And this is the sunset one, so it's colorful. This is $22 on that postcard, but I'm pretty certain mine were like 20 bucks from Sephora. So that's kind of weird that it would be more than Sephora, but I'll have to look into it. Okay, so on Sephora's website, they are $20, just the regular pink one. I lied, they have the black one too. So why this one is $22, or they're saying it's $22, I don't know. Just be mindful of that. It doesn't matter what the color is. If you want a cheaper one, just go to Sephora and you get your points too. Speaking of Sephora, I am going to be doing my live on Saturday as usual around 7 p.m. and I'm going to be doing some skincare, but because I have a whole bunch of Pixie skincare I just need to get out. They sent it to me like 2 months ago and I have not reviewed it and I feel really bad, but I have to review it. It's brand new stuff. It's all hydrating stuff, so that's awesome. But also on my live, I'm going to be doing what I plan on getting for my Sephora sale, the 20% off that they're having starting tomorrow. I'm probably gonna place the order tomorrow, but I'm gonna talk about it with you on Saturday, and then I'm gonna do a follow-up video on what I got. I also bought something last week from Ulta, and it's taking a long time to get here. It is the new Dyson straightener. Yes, I paid $500 for a hair straightener. Please don't kill me. Don't give me hate. I want to try it. I got thick, coarse, curly hair, and I just want something to just go. I used to have a really, really expensive straightener, and it kind of went crazy, and I got rid of it. It was making some really weird noises. So I'm really excited. My husband almost died when I told him that I purchased it, but it still hasn't gotten here, and I think that's because the whole issue going on with the world. Shipment on stuff is late. But back to what we were talking about. So in here, it tells you how to take care of it. Right here, a little step guide, which you'll get if you get it. And then this is the cloth. It's so soft, like I swear to God. This is the softest makeup cloth, and it takes off my makeup so nicely. Now, a lot of people say you could just use a microfiber cloth, which yes, you can. You can get it in the auto parts section. However, I have used both, and I honestly do prefer the makeup eraser. I know it's expensive, but it feels much softer and much nicer on my skin, and when it gets wet it doesn't feel like the microfiber towels give me this really weird texture feeling thing situation, and I just don't like it. So I do prefer this one. It is the normal size. It's pretty big. I can get my whole face and then some with this, and then I wash it. So that's a plus because I absolutely love these. All right, so the next thing I have here is going to be the Lavish brush set. I'll open them, but I'm not gonna use them or really touch the bristles if I can help it, because this is also gonna go in my giveaway, because I don't really need, I'm trying to shake them out without touching them because I don't wanna touch them and then put them in a giveaway because that's gross. So come on, come on. All right, so try not to touch them. These are the brushes. They're very pretty. I'm just very particular, and I do have a ton of brushes, so I don't need these. You have a blending brush, an eyebrow brush with a duo spoolie end. Then you have what looks like a shading brush, an eyeliner brush, and then a smudger brush, pencil brush. It's a thicker pencil brush. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in here, and I will be adding that to my giveaway pile as well. So the next thing that I got, I told you guys it was gonna be super fast for this video, because I got like nothing, and two of the things I can't even try. So this one I'm really excited about. This is the Elemis Superfood Cacao C-I-C-A. Let me know how to pronounce it in the comments below. Calm Hydration Juice. This is a super hydrating gel. I know this is expensive because their stuff is always expensive. $48. I have so much stuff from them, and I actually really, really enjoy their brand and their stuff. So I'm gonna put this dead on my face. I have nothing on, like no moisturizer, no nothing. That glow is just natural, and I don't know what's happening. So apply every morning to cleansed skin. If contact with eyes, rinse well. Okay, well, I don't have cleansed skin because I didn't wash my face this morning. I actually don't ever wash my face in the morning. Is that weird? Is that a weird thing? Do you guys wash your face morning and night? I only wash it at nighttime usually. Unless I put on like a sleeping mask, like an overnight sleeping mask, then I will rinse with water. But I do not do a face wash in the morning. It dries my skin out. Ooh, okay. It smells so good. It feels nice. Okay, it feels hella nice. Oh, okay. So, oh my God. It's like a fruity, fresh, crisp, veggie. I don't know what's happening, but I like it. It's not sticky, and it is definitely hydrating. I don't feel any tingling, any burning, anything like that. It's not heavy, and I don't feel like, you know, you put something on like oil or something and it doesn't feel like that. It's not itchy, and again, like I said, it's not tacky. It just feels like it made my face feel so supple and soft and hydrated, and it didn't leave my hands feeling nasty, which is a plus. So I got 5 items, and the last item I'm really freaking super excited about. It is the Iconic London Illuminator. This is their original formula, and I'm really excited to get this. It's $41. So the reason I have never really got this is because I'm just not paying that kind of money for a liquid highlighter, because I don't really use liquid highlighters all that often. So it is a really pretty color. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my hand. Is this supposed to be crooked like that? Like, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it definitely goes like a J. Like, what's happening here? I don't know, but maybe it's supposed to be. I don't know. But the reason that I've never actually bought it is because I just, like I said, I don't really use liquid highlighters. Oh my, that is pretty. She's glowing. So I don't really use them very much unless I'm just like putting it like on my face to give me a little glow. just like over top of a face oil basically. But so to me, like $41 just wasn't cutting it, but I've seen so many people using this and I'm just like, it's so pretty, but I won't buy it. So I'm really super excited. I think they've done it before where it's in the Boxycharm, if I'm not mistaken, and I didn't get that one. I actually missed that one. I canceled prior to that. That's so still shimmery, even though it's wiped off mostly off my hand. So I like how it definitely is gonna be my go-to. Oh my gosh, for when I wear just like a nice fresh no makeup look. I love putting a liquid highlighter on. It's just my thing. I think it just pulls out my skin and how it glows, and it just looks really good. So whenever I do like no makeup, I'll put a cream or a face oil on, and then I will dab some highlighter, the high points of my cheeks, my nose, and a little on my chin, just to give my face a little bit of a glowy look. So the things I've seen on Instagram with the Iconic London Drops is like people taking it and just like covering their face in it and then putting their foundation on, which I think is absolutely ridiculous. Please don't do that. You're just asking for your skin to be destroyed at that point because it's pointless. And yeah, sure, it'll give you a shimmery look, but it'll also do that if you just put like a drop or two with your foundation. You don't have to do all that. You're destroying your skin and you're wasting product. I hope you guys really like this video. It was really fast, but those are the items that I got. And for some reason today I'm like on super speed, like full speeds ahead. Like this video has not taken long to record at all. So I hope you guys really liked it. Let me know if you got your Boxycharm this month and did you get the same one as me? What was something different that you got? Let me know below. And also, what was your favorite item? My favorite item I thought was gonna be the Iconic London Drops, but I'm liking how this is making my face feel. So this superfood hydrating gel is now in my skincare routine. However guys, I hope you really enjoyed my video. Again, let me know below what your box was, what you liked the best, what you didn't like. I like a little negativity here and there, weigh it out. And also guys, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you Saturday on my live. Bye.